if she likes it when I do this. You can jump anytime you want. I know I bother you sometimes. It's nothing. It is nothing that crosses the line of abuse. If it weren't for you, Nina, I would probably have a crippling depression due to the lockdown, which many people I think have. You know that I'm originally a dog person, however, I adopted you because, what's the word? I adopted you because cats are a little bit easier to take care of. They are more independent. And if you adopt them since they are a baby, since they are a kitten, most likely is that they are going to grow attached. That's my theory. Every cat is different. Nina is really affectionate, and every time I arrive home from working or anything, she's there to greet me. What's up, honey? What? Are you upset? What do you feel if I scratch here? Just be relaxed. What's up? Look at the camera. Yes. Excellent. You're moving your tail, thank you. This is the perfect take. If any veterinarian is watching this and they can give me a little bit of background as to why she's making that sound, why she's making that noise, and why she's moving her tail, those comments would be totally welcome. I've noticed that when I scratch her on the belly, on the stomach, the answer might be different depending on the cat. Some cats like it, other cats don't. Where are you going? Oh, come back. Alright. She's gone.